these are there. Oh, these are. अरे भाई, नमस्ते। मैं कलम दे दूं पहले ही आपको, क्योंकि हो सकता है आपको इंतजार हो या ना भी हो।
हम बाद में भी ले सकते हैं।
नहीं, बाद में फिर आप लोग बिजी हो जाते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।
हम लेकिन वेट करते हैं आपका हमेशा।
बिजी हो जाते हैं। अरे ये कौन है? वही ये भी टीचर है हमारे यहाँ पे। बना सकते हो जो रहेगा तो शॉप से मांग लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लॉट्स ऑफ पेन, किसी को नहीं मिला पेन तो एनीवन एल्स? इज दैट ऑल? नहीं होगा तो ले लेना। एंड थैंक यू। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, पेन इज माइटियर देन स्वॉर्ड। ओके, थैंक यू। ये खूबसूरत विब्रेंट, एब्सोल्युटली विब्रेंट, और ये पूरा स्टाफ यहाँ मौजूद है, डायरेक्टर मौजूद है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन ए न्यू स्कूल। व्हाट इज दैट? बीज?
स्मार्ट बीज।
Smart bees. Bees are always smart, yes, and it's there. Thank you. चलो फिर से गुड डे, गुड डे, वेरी वेरी गुड डे। That's the beginning of a new school that is Smart Bees for kids. Kids who will learn to live properly in this fast-changing world. All the teachers are so happy because the beginning is absolutely miraculous. See the happiness?
Somebody has to go inside.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे सर्वकार्ये
Arun Khan. Arun? Some Aisha? I'm here. Okay. And Vincent is inside. I'll check. Papa? Everyone, 1, 2, and 3.
Smart bees and lot of aspirations, lot of dreams. The whole team doing a great job.
Let's go first floor.
Carry on. On the beginning, and Sudhakar will do the rest. Carry on. Okay, done. First floor, Dana. Okay. Carry on. Come. हाँ जा रहे हैं. This is the extension of first cry, and these smart bees will definitely be the bees with a lot of honey around. We expect wonderful results from here, the way we have been doing it for the last so many years.
She's inside. One, two, and 3.
Good one.
That is Rita ma'am. अच्छा रीता मैम.
अंदर भी दिखा दो क्या चल रहा है. The school is trying to do its best to make these kids wonderful citizens, because so much of turmoil all around, and we have to stop it by giving them the best of the education. This is Smart Bees, the beginning of the new school. Jyoti Foundation doing the great job. Admission of Kanika.
Please come on.
Oh, acha, I thought Ridhima. ये Ridhima नहीं लगती है ना. अरे भाई, very good.
हाँ
यही है ना, एक ही फ्लोर है ना. अच्छा.
सब आ जाए. One, 2, and 3.
I'm going to come the ribbon saying one big thing from Victor Hugo. One who opens a school closes a prison. That is what we are trying to do here. Here it goes. There. All done. Thank you. Thank you. अंदर ले आओ.
ये टैटू आर्टिस्ट. अच्छा.
तुमने कलर दिया था?
टैटू आर्टिस्ट.
नीचे वाले या फिर
वो तने टैटू बनवा के गया ना. टैटू आर्टिस्ट.
अच्छा, ये टैटू आर्टिस्ट है.
ये टैटू आर्टिस्ट.
तो हम अगर टैटू बनवाएंगे तो हम क्या बनवाएंगे? हरिओम. Of course. नहीं, अभी तो हम जरा उसमें हैं, तो बट हरिओम. एनी टाइम. अच्छा. लो ये सब देख लो इधर क्या है.
वो बच्चों की एक्टिविटी
हाँ जी.
वो बलून.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसमें? बैलून मॉडलिंग कर रहे हैं. देखिए आपका नाम क्या है? Blessing Mohammed. Blessing sir. You have the best of it. Okay, carry on. And these are the images,
आजा,
very nice
देखो।
images. अब देखो, ये छोटा बच्चा हमारा देख रहा है कि क्या क्या यहाँ पर कैसे बनेगा। और देखो
Sword बनानी है, sword.
sword. Oh, sword. The warrior. Okay.
सोनू
और कुछ?
Yes, for that reason we pay for.
But later,
It will be there in the classrooms.
The beauty of the fact is that the school is an extension of First Cry, ably run by Jetlis, and 3 A's are always there, Ashok, Anita, Ashish. And Kanika Jetli doing a great job as admin and ably supported by Neha and Ayush. Very good. Oh, carry on. Lots of blessings from everywhere, lots of links from everywhere. And the next move. हो गया? Is that all?
मम्मा बोल रही है कि बच्चे
हो गया? डन है? अच्छा इसमें भी ऊपर जाना
हाँ
है?
नहीं,
ऊपर एक के रूम है
रिबन नहीं है ना?
नहीं रिबन नहीं हो गया
बंद है तो रहने दो.
A few years ago when we started with First Cry at Hegde Nagar, we never knew it will be such a big success, but we had some idea and we got such big success. So this is a new extension of that school, that is Smart Bees, is opening right now. Well, one thing is there, miles to go still, but the staff is doing so well, the administration is wonderful, everything going on very well. So the whole project is a beautiful dream of Jetlis, and they are doing a great job. And Sudhakar has been helping in videographing the whole process because this is a new school, and there it goes. You remember the Robert Frost poem? What is that? Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have many promises to keep. I have miles to go before I sleep. So still have miles, and this is written on. The school is ably run by Jetlis, and we expected wonderful response the way we expected from First Cry. Lots of applause, lots of applauses, and see the beauty. The color combination is absolutely wonderful. They have succeeded in getting so many awards for First Cry, so we expect the same here at Smart Bees. So we intend going to that. Thank you, Sudhakar. Thank you. Same. Yeah. Okay. The world is passing through very difficult days, so much of turmoil, tormentation all around. So what matters most is to give the best of the education to kids, and for this the new school is there. See the red color, see the ambience, and the name of the school is Smart Bees, under the able staff doing a great job here. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely.
स्कूल अल्लाह
And the administration from First Cry, Arun always there. So Arun,
Actually, yes, this is a new venture. We are from the First Cry. We are starting Smart Bees. I wish you all the best for the business partner and their family also.
yeah, Arun, the top executive from First Cry. How it all begins from there. how it began from there, because when we started First Cry, we knew that we are going to enter a brave new world, a different new world, and bringing in education in a different manner. That is, studies, one thing, sports, very important, and cultural activities, all that is happening there. But here you see the color combination that they have created here is going to be a wonderful thing, something like that. As I told you, it's a vision of Jet Li, always there to bring out the best. But one thing is there, I must tell you that if you really want to see a beautiful world, you have to take care of these small kids. We'll be taking care of small kids here. And something else that I have to say again and again and again. Thank you, Sudhakar. After getting a successful start in First Cry, the couple has decided to go in for something different, and here it is, Kanika and Ashish, ably supported by Ashok and Anita. So here we go. It's the beginning of a new school, and today is 4th April 2026. Thank you. As admin, Kanika Jet Li has a vision, and she's got such a beautiful and enlightened background. Mother an esteemed teacher, father a dedicated manager, and she learned a lot from them. They always bless whatever a new project begins. So this is a new project, and blessings from Ahmedabad pouring in, I'm sure, most definitely, yes. जब भी कोई बड़ा काम करना होता है तो जेटलीज आपस में बैठते हैं और उसके बाद में मंत्रणा होती है, विचार विमर्श होता है, और वहाँ फिर कनिका तो हमेशा ऑलवेज देयर कि भाई चलिए आप जो कह रहे हैं वो सब ठीक ठाक है। तो ये छोटा सा नन्हा सा एक बच्चा हमारा जो है ये आ रहा है, इसने सोर्ड बनवाई है, और ये तो भविष्य है जेटलिस्तान का, तो इसलिए इससे भी हम उम्मीद करके चलते हैं कि ये तलवार इसीलिए लाया है कि ज़माना धीरे धीरे तलवार का होता जा रहा है। और गन है ये, ओह अच्छा, हमें पता ही नहीं लगा। तलवार और गन दोनों का काम तो काटना है भैया, तुम जोड़ने की बातें करो। इस स्कूल का मकसद भी यही है, जोड़ना। तो इस तरह से यहाँ से शुरुआत होती है, फिर इसके बाद में एडमिन कनिका आगे बढ़ाती हैं। पूरी टीम, द होल टीम इज़ सो वंडरफुल, डेडिकेटेड, डिवोटेड, कॉर्डियल एंड कर्टियस, एंड दे आर एब्सोल्युटली एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्राई। और अब देखिए यहाँ से आगे स्मार्ट बीस करेंगे ये, यस, अब शुरू करें। फर्स्ट क्राई स्मार्ट बीस, opening of a new school under the guidance of Jet Li and admin Kanika Jet Li's vision. So we are moving here. This is something like blue carpet, and Siddharth is so happy that they have started dancing because a new school has opened. Dance is there. This language of dance is very clearly saying that they are both so happy, and I will be very keen to know about admin's views about whole of this, because what is the concept, what is the idea, and how they succeeded in first try. Say something about your new vision. Firstly, see the vision. The vision is there.
Vision is there.
Yes. Now, what you have to say about the new school that is Smart Bees, the
So
admin, Kanika Jet.
So it's basically the first cry is trying to make education more affordable. So this will be catering to the people who are looking for the better quality of education in a little less price of the fees with the good facilities.
Okay.
So it is an opportunity and chance for them.
What is the difference between haves and have-nots?
See, that is a kind of a luxury premium school. This goes to the NEP. That follows IEYC framework. That is an international framework. While this follows NEP framework.
So this is the beginning of it, because this is 4th April and 2026. You started your school many years ago, first try. You succeeded in doing that. Lot of applauses. Where do you figure in the list of awards there? This number? school?
We were all over Bangalore 15.
15, we are 15 here. So you can understand the devotion, the dedication, the cordiality, the everything that a school needs. As I was telling right now, we are entering a very difficult world unless we teach kids. And there is the director Pankaj Jaitley, and then this side you have Ashok Jaitley. And together this is a new vision on how we are the best kind, because they want to bring the best of education to the kids, and they want to avoid school becoming a factory the way many schools are becoming, because education is losing its shine and sheen. So we belong to the Gurukul Vyavastha, and in fact we are interested in change and continuity. Whatever has happened has a meaning, whatever will happen has a meaning. So with this we really wish you absolutely wonderful future. Blessings. Thank you, Sudhakar. Thank you. Okay. Since it's a new beginning, there is counseling session going on, telling the parents what they expect from the new school. स्मार्ट बीज आज शुरू हो रहा है, एक नया स्कूल, खूबसूरत, विब्रेंट। तो डायरेक्टर्स को मेरे ख्याल से पेन दे दिया जाए। एक मिनी डायरेक्टर भी है हमारे यहाँ, और मैगी को मैंने दे दिया, पहली शायद दे दिया। ऑल द बेस्ट। और ये छोटी डायरेक्टर भी हमारे पास में यहाँ पर है, इसको मैंने दिया बाहर पेन, ये इसको मैंने बाहर पेन दे दिया है। ओके ओके ओके।